Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade salsa and chips. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You will need about 5 medium, ripe tomatoes, 1 small onion, and a generous bunch of fresh cilantro. For a little kick, grab 1 jalapeno or serrano pepper. Don't forget a lime and some salt and pepper to season your amazing creation. This simple guide will have you enjoying fresh salsa in no time. Now, let's get to chopping. Carefully dice your 5 tomatoes, 1 small onion, and your chosen pepper into small, consistent pieces. Remember to remove the seeds from the pepper if you prefer less heat. Next, finely chop about 1/4 of a cup of fresh cilantro. Combine all these vibrant ingredients in a medium-sized bowl. Squeeze in the juice from about half a lime to brighten all the flavors. Seasoning is key to a perfect salsa. Start by adding about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper to your mixture. Give it a good stir, then taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want a little more salt or a touch more lime. Once seasoned, cover the bowl and let your salsa rest in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This resting period allows all the wonderful flavors to truly meld together. Finally, it's time to enjoy your incredible homemade salsa. Grab your favorite tortilla chips, whether they are corn, blue corn, or even baked. Transfer your freshly made salsa into a nice serving bowl. This recipe typically yields about 2 cups of delicious, vibrant salsa, perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. Dip in and savor the fresh, zesty flavors you've created. It's a perfect snack for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.